new arrivals this past week.
Yes.
Where?
How about
What?
here?
This is a what question.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
It's a what, why, when, where.
Yeah,
how.
I know.
A 1966 Ford Mustang Convertible, silver blue over blue, garage kept, well restored, award-winning car, and it's the 200 cubic inch inline six-cylinder, which is so refreshing, as we've talked about many times, to see that somebody didn't throw a big V8 in it or do something to it. Left it, it's got a C4 automatic.
Nice.
Nice little, fun little driver
nice car, yeah.
It is a nice car. It really is. The 1966 Pontiac GTO convertible, Montero red over black. True 242 GTO. What does that mean? It means there's a 242 in the VIN number, which signifies it to be a GTO. How about it? Date correct 389 cubic inch V8, tri-power carb setup, ST300 two-speed automatic, like a Power Glide, but not. And power brakes. I guess it is a Power Glide. Would it not be a Power Glide?
It's GM, yeah.
Yeah, it's a GM car. Next is the 1934 Ford Model 40 pickup, gold over black, 382 cubic inch, 3.2 barrel V8, Ross Racing aluminum heads, 3-speed manual, Curry axle, hidden front disc brakes. I don't even know, what does that mean?
Hidden front disc? I have no idea what that is.
They're in the back.
Yeah, so you wouldn't think to look for the front disc brakes in the back.
Well,
Tricky.
I was thinking maybe inboard, but that would say inboard if they were inboard.
It's podcast at classicautomall.com.
Yeah, please.
I didn't write that, so I don't know.
Oh.
If you know, let us know.
Yeah, let us know. So we're not completely out of the loop.
Right.
We'd like to stay in the loop as much as we can. How about the 1961 MGA Mark I 1600, Old English white over ox blood?
Yes.
Is that what the blood of an ox looks like?
Yeah, ugh.
Why not?
What a bad name.
One family
name.
owned. Garage kept, 1588cc four-cylinder, 4-speed manual, and rebuilt dual one-barrel carburetor. Does that make 2 barrels?
It does make 2 barrels. Yeah.
Wow.
Sure.
And
But it's
3 2-barrels is 6 barrels.
Like a lawnmower.
Not like a 4-barrel in the Holly carburetor department.
There you go.
Yeah, because we used to want to put a 4-barrel on it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so.
Dual line Holly.
Yeah. How about the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, Fathom green, great color over black.
Yep.
True Z28, 1967 302 cubic inch V8, Muncie M24 speed manual, 12-bolt 410 gear posi axle, and a DZ 4-barrel carburetor. This is a great drive.
Still here?
Yeah,
I can't imagine that thing's still here.
I think
Did you say M22?
Yeah, I think it's got M20.
Oh, M20. Okay.
Yeah. So it's surprising that it's still here. That Fathom green,
Beautiful color.
That's just a really great color. And then, last but not least, the 1937 Ford Model 78 pickup, Washington blue and black over black. We took it to a show last weekend.
Pretty
It
car.
was a
That's a pretty
huge
car.
success. TV commercial history this car has.
Really?
It does. Yeah. Briefly. I watched it.
Did you see it? Mm-hmm. Good for you.
Very brief.
You got nothing else to do?
But it's when I see a consignor say that, I got to
You
go
wanna
find
go
the commercial.
find it, right,
It is on YouTube, and it's just a split second.
Sure.
of the
Hey,
track.
but it is what
It's
it is.
in there.
221 cubic inch flathead V8, 3-speed manual transmission, new steering, and brake parts.
I should say that it's in black and white too, because they're showing it as if it was period.
Got
so
you.
you can't see the blue, but it's a beautiful
The
truck.
old commercials that you see with old cars in them are fantastic, especially from the 60s. They were so
Yeah,
creative in what they were doing with the commercials.
I love advertising and the commercials.
If you have an opportunity, look up Burt Weinman Ford.
Burt Weinman.
Out of Chicago, yeah.
Right.
And he had the Sunday morning thing, and it was just, every Sunday you'd watch what were the new cars they were going to show.
Oh, I know. So exciting. So.
The Classic Auto Mall Show with their host, Stuart Howden.